Good morning, everyone. I'm Shweta. As you can see on the screen, my topic is life cycle of Plasmodium. Malaria is a serious disease and sometimes a fatal disease too. This is caused by a parasite that commonly infects a certain type of mosquito which feeds on humans. Plasmodium is a parasitic protozoan which causes malaria. Let me start a first slide by saying a few words about the estimated cases and deaths of malaria. 198 million estimated cases in 2014, 5 lakh malaria estimated deaths in 2014, whereas 80% of cases and 90% of deaths in Africa, 77% of deaths in children are less than 5 years. The causative agent is Plasmodium species. 5 species infecting humans. Falciparum is most morbid and mortal. 5 species outside of Africa, less than approximately 50 percentage cases are due to vivax. In second slide, I will focus on the types of Plasmodium. Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovule and Plasmodium novelsii. I would like to give you an overview of the life cycle of Plasmodium. I will go to the highlights, what I see as the main points of this presentation. If you don't mind, I would like to leave questions until there will be a time for question and answer session at the end of my presentation. Life cycle. Plasmodium falciparum is a digenic parasite involving two hosts, man as the secondary host and female Anopheles mosquito as the primary host. The life cycle of Plasmodium involves three phases, namely schizogony, gamogony, sporogony. Transmission. The parasite first enters the human bloodstream through a bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. As it feeds, the mosquito injects the saliva containing sporozoites. The sporozoite within the bloodstream immediately enters the hepatic cells of the liver. Further in the liver, they undergo multiple asexual fission and produce merozoites. After being released from liver cells, the merozoites penetrates the RBCs. Sporozoites becomes merozoites. Now, inside the RBC, the merozoite begins to develop as unicellular tropozoite. The tropozoite grows in size and a central vacuole develops, pushing them to one side of the cytoplasm and becomes the signet ring stage. The tropozoite nucleus then divides asexually to produce cyzon. Sporozoites becomes now cyzonta. Asexual schizogony. The large schizon shows yellowish brown pigmented granules called Schiffner's granules. The schizon divides and produces mononucleated merozoites. Eventually, the erythrocyte lyses, releasing the merozoites and a hemozoin toxin into the bloodstream to infect other erythrocytes. Lysis of the red blood cells results in the cycles of fever and other symptoms. This erythrocytic stage is cyclic and repeats itself approximately every 48 to 72 hours. Symptoms of malaria: headache, nausea, muscular pain, abdominal pain, vomiting, anemia, irritability, diarrhea are the symptoms of malaria. Prevention is better than cure. So I would like to discuss more detailed information regarding the preventions of malaria. There are several preventions to take to step out from malaria. They are the reference is taken from the fever book by Sonia Shah.